Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. The hood looks fine. Everything is in excellent condition in the front. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on the doors at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent. I don't see any scratches on it, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along to the back of the SUV. Okay, back here everything looks fine. The trunk has no scratches or paint chips. And also, the back bumper is in perfect condition as well. Let's take a look now at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No scratches here, no dents on here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look fine. I do not see any paint chips. I do not see any dents. Both of them are in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, I do see a little wear on the seat right here, but everything looks fine. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the suede and leather, and also the window switches look fine. Let's take a look at the back seat. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. And now let's take a look at the third row seats. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear with the third row at all, so the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear on the seat at all. Let's take a look at the door panel. The door panel is in excellent condition as well, so that looks fine. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and first we're going to start with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the radio or AC buttons. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel buttons look fine. Let's have a look at the leather and stitching. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.